Good morning, students. Today we are going to do class 5 EVS chapter When the Earth Shook. This will be covered in two parts. Part 1 about the chapter and the second video will be on natural disaster. Let's begin with part 1. When the earth shook, sometimes the ground shakes and people run out of their houses to save themselves. What is this disaster called? Earthquake. What is a natural disaster or a calamity? A natural disaster is a major adverse event resulting from natural processes of the earth. Examples include floods, volcanic eruptions, earthquakes, tsunamis, and other geologic processes. What is an earthquake? An earthquake is the sudden movement of the earth's tectonic plates resulting in shaking of the ground. The study of earthquakes and the waves they create is called seismology. It has been taken from the Greek word seismos, that means to shake. Scientists who study earthquakes are called seismologists. Now let's read about the chapter. Jasma woke up screaming after a bad dream. She lives in Kutch area of Gujarat. She was just 11 years old when there was an earthquake in her village. It was 26 Jan 2001 when everyone had gathered to celebrate Republic Day when the earthquake had struck. In few minutes, the village was flat on ground. On 26 Jan 2001, a massive earthquake occurred in Bhuj area of Gujarat. Hundreds of people died and thousands were injured. People were trapped under the debris. Many buildings collapsed. Rescue teams helped people by saving people trapped under the debris, providing medical aid to the injured people, supplying food, clothing, and shelter to the victims. Who are these rescue teams? NDRF, SDRF, police, doctors, fire brigade, army, and voluntary organizations. Help arrives in Jasma's village. People from cities kept coming to see what happened. They came with food and clothing. People helped by pitching tents. Some of them were scientists, tried to find out areas which were more prone to earthquakes. Suggestion given to build earthquake-resistant houses. All worked together to rebuild the village. Now we will read about do's and don'ts during earthquakes. Do's: stay away from glass windows. Move to an open place. If you are inside a vehicle, stay inside and don't stop. If you are inside a building, stay under a strong desk or table. If there is no table or desk near you, cover your face with arms. Don'ts: don't leave your mouth open, instead cover it with a handkerchief. With this, we have come to the end of the first video. In the next video, we will talk about various natural disasters.